Hello YouTube, this is Dan Dan. So I order this Hanjia mini 4-inch CCTV PTZ pan, tilt and zoom. Alright, I order from Hanjia through Lazada, and I would like to thank you to DQ, the supplier of this what I call this CCTV, the camera, the PTZ camera. Actually this is my second order. My first order actually lost in transit by Lazada, but also thank you to Lazada to really respond quite fast, and I made a second order. So here we are. Now it's about 2 hours ago. So let's have a look. Let's see. This is the camera. Packaging is good. Okay. Bubble wrap. Some damage here. I hope nothing affected this side. Okay, let's see inside. Inside. This unboxing for Hanjia mini IR high-speed boom camera. Okay. So they give us stickers for stickers. This my second order after the first order was lost in transit, but Lazada refund and make a new order. So this one came quite early. Thank you Lazada, and thank you to DQ for understanding and never give up. Keep contact me, asking for the how's the delivery and everything. So finally I got this cam and ready to install, which is I will make a second video after I install. Alright, this is a mini PTZ. It's not bulky, it's quite nice if you install indoor or outdoor. It's really nice, and as usual is using the same protocol, which is under Pelco. So I got for two Pelco, I think, Pelco D and Pelco P, and communication of RS485 bus, which is to control the fan and tilt, which is this cable. The yellow is a A, the orange is a B. Yellow is A, orange is B. Yep, correct. So the green is earth as well. So one is for power, which is because my wiring is using the Cat 5e. I have to use this adapter so to contact the power. And for the camera video, I'm going to connect with the balloon video. After the balloon, then only connect with the Cat 5e, go to my DVR. Alright, basically the packing is quite good, impressive. Okay, actually this is my first time handling the PTZ, which is so small. I used to install, it's quite bulky PTZ, the brand I use, many good brand in the market, Philips, Bosch, and many others, and Pelco as well. Okay, this is the bracket. The bracket, I think it's a cast iron. So this is the camera. This camera is able to rotate 360 degrees and tilt 180. Okay, and it's a IP66. It's waterproof. There's a motor here. Alright, I'm going to fix to the column in front of my porch yet, which is if what mentioned by DQ, this optical zoom is quite good and can go far up to more than 30 meters. Well, I am really excited on to see the result after install. Is it true or not? Right. So basically it's quite neat and nice. So they don't once installed, they have a cap cover here, right? But this is without the cover. This one itself already waterproof, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to fix this to the column. Not bad. It's quite heavy. CCHD camera. Okay, it came with PTZ camera plus the brackets, and we have this for the oops, okay. This connector is for the RS485 to connect this cable, and my existing Cat 5e. So the packaging is nice. I'm really impressed with the packaging, and it came with adapter AC to DC, which is the output is 12 volt. Obviously I'm not going to use this because the wiring I done already came with the power, which is from the power box, 12 volt power box, and carried by the Cat 5e for the power. So I'm not going to use this adapter. I'm going to keep for other things. Alright, and that's all I can show. So at this time I couldn't find any other what I call a better specification, which is high spec with a reasonable price. Okay guys, I think that's all for now. Wait for my second video, which is when I install this what I call PTZ. So I think that's the best way to see the result, how true is the specification, everything. Alright, Okay, so what I'm going to do next video is I'm going to show you how good is the camera. Is it true as what the certification or they said it's mentioned? The optical zoom can do that for about 10 times I think. So this is Dendrak, thanks for watching. So I hope this will guide for you, and